to produce harmonies is very, very important. And the using word is most crucial, I think, because we, as I mentioned, we have to talk. We are talking more or less non-stop. And then, since we are talking so much, then why we don't talk quite nicely? Just meaning or subject can be same, but the way of approach can be different. Instead of, I don't want that. So I can say, I don't like this, or something like that. Just not reject immediately to the others. Why are you doing this? This kind of things is quite difficult. So therefore, we need to be more think, more awareness, aware how you are talking, why you are talking, which way you are talking. All these things need to be considered.